Hi, my name is Alex, and I built the dog sled. My goals for my dog sled was to make it move without bumping or making any casualties. I made this robot to look like two dogs pulling one sleigh. And the website I used to make this building was the NXT program. My static I used was a friction axle peg, a flexible axle, an 11.5 angle beam, and dynamics for 2 meter. Well, 2M axle, a 12T double bevel, a gear bushing, 35 centimeter cable, touch sensor, servo motor. This is a quick image of my project I built. Here is a demo. It works better if it's on a more better surface instead of like a glass and slippery surface. I tested my project at least 8 times. To get it right. The hardest thing I did was building the sleigh. Thank you. Are there any questions? Yes?
What's your favorite part?
What was my favorite part? My favorite part was building the dogs and making the program. Any other questions? Yes? Yeah?
Yes, why was the sleigh the hardest part?
The sleigh was hardest to attach the NXT program and adding these sides and the bottom parts to make it, instead of making it like sideways, and you have to get the angle right. So that was pretty hard. Any other questions?
Last one? No?
No.
Okay, round of applause.